It's another great win today and a four-quarter effort all round.
Yeah, really good. It was really tricky conditions. So for the boys to go out and be able to play the style that we wanted to play in those conditions was a real bonus. But I felt we worked a little bit better today across four quarters than we had in the last couple of weeks. So yeah, quite pleasing.
You got a bit of flexibility with a lot of your players now. You've been moving them all around in different positions, which seems to be working quite well.
Yeah, look, we're trying to develop a lot of kids as much as we possibly can, but certainly having the flexibility for a number of our players to play forward, midfield, and back is it's going to be beneficial to us in the long run. So we're experimenting with a few. I think the move of Eads to half back today probably was good for us. He gave us a bit more run, so it was a good solid performance where there was a fair bit of learning to come out of the game.
There was no injury concerns today, was there?
Nothing major. I think we were in a position that we're able to probably pop a few blokes on ice about halfway through the last quarter, so fingers crossed everyone will be right again for next week.
You had multiple goal scorers today again, which is another...
Yeah, good spread. So, we don't want to be reliant on one player kicking goals all the time. So if we can get multiple goal kickers every week, we'll take that as long as we keep getting the score. That's what it's about.
Some major ball winners again today. Hopper had a fair few.
Yeah, Hopper had a fair few. Templeton was good. So Hopper, Templeton, Lusby. We had quite a lot of guys. We had 8 or 10 blokes that were up around that 20 possession mark. So, like I said, Hops, Temps, Lusby, Joey Simons was really good again. Matty Johnson was good. Haskett Dorban was good down back. Benny Simpson played well today. Eadsy, as I said before. Jared Berry was good. There was a whole group of guys through that middle part of the ground that got their hands on the ball, so we're quite pleased with all those guys.
Young Huey debuted today and he was very impressive.
Yeah, look, he didn't look out of place at all at TAC Cup level, which is great. He's a quiet lad, but he certainly read the game well, and he was smart when to use the ball. So yeah, we're really pleased that Huey's got one under his belt now, and look forward to watching him develop.
No worries. Thanks, Deeks.
Always a pleasure, mate.